Hello, salam, namaste, adab, sat shri akal to one and all. So, a very important announcement for all of you. The most awaited course for financial management is here. That is the financial management fast track course, the most exam oriented course that you people have been asking for a very long time, just like the cost accounting course that is already there. So we are now starting with the financial management course. So how excited are you? Let me know in the comment section if you people are really excited. I'm really excited for this course because this was one of the most demanded course. So let's quickly see what all we are going to cover in this particular course. The first thing, always the most important thing that we are going to cover is our concepts. That is the quick revision of all the concepts of financial management we'll be doing before moving on to the question. The second thing that we'll be doing is ICAI module questions. That is the most important part. Specifically in case of financial management, I say ICAI module questions are really one level up. Very good questions ICAI is already having in the module, so that is the next thing that we'll be doing, right? And the third thing that we'll be doing is the RTPS, MTPS and PVQ from May 2024 onwards. We'll be solving the case studies, we'll be solving all the MCQs, we'll be solving all the questions, right? And the fourth thing that you are going to get is the hard copy of our concept book and the MCQ book of financial management. The fifth thing, that most important thing that you're going to get is the query support through WhatsApp. So what all you need? This is all what you need for scoring the exemption in FM. FM-SM paper is there, but this course is only the financial management part we are going to cover, and we are going to cover it 100% according to the ICAI module part, on the pattern how the ICAI has been asking the questions. And in this course, the most important thing is I'll be telling you how to tackle the question. If there is a tough question in the examination, how you are going to tackle that question. That is really one thing that students need to know, how to break down the question, specifically in case of investment decisions, capital budgeting chapter. That is how to break down the question and able to solve it in the examination. Even if the question is one of the toughest question in the paper, you people can crack it. That's what we are going to learn in this particular series. So wait for what? Nothing, sir. You don't have to wait for anything. You have to go to our website, that is www.ksjteaching.org. Register from there right now, because currently the prices are very low. You can check out the prices on the website or on the mobile app for Android and iOS both. Now the app is KSJ Teaching, right? You don't need to search for any other app. For iOS also you can search for KSJ Teaching. You will get the app directly. Register for the course. Get it right now. Join it. See you guys in the course. Financial management fast track course, one of the most awaited courses, exam oriented course, and let's target out of 50 marks in financial management, at least 40 to 45 marks in financial management we can easily score, and that's what our target is in this particular course. So see you guys in the course. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, keep studying, keep sharing. Thank you so much.